Trichy government school students design and construct low-cost urinals for their school. They did it on their own without any help. Take a moment and appreciate those young talents. Chinese actress Liu Xiaoqing. She was born in 1955, age 64 years. Before passing away, Albert Einstein said few words in German. The only person to listen that was a nurse and she didn't speak German.
Everything changes.
Harry Potter's author J.K. Rowling lost her billionaire status because she donated so much of her money to charity. A reusable shopping list from the 1920s. $1.5 billion plus people in India, and everyone has this single idea when it comes to drawing. Our childhood would have been incomplete without this. The person sitting on his knees with his mask on is the Prime Minister of Canada, who came to see the condition of COVID-19 patients in the hospital. A man, after surviving 33 days lost at sea, finally came ashore by chance on the Marshall Islands, only to discover that his uncle, believed lost at sea 50 years ago, had washed ashore on the same island and started a family there. Justin Timberlake was the voice behind McDonald's "I'm Lovin' It" and was paid $6 million. There are only two people alive who know the recipe of Coca-Cola, and they are not allowed to travel on the same plane in case it crashes. This is blood, plasma and water droplets on a super hemophoic titanium surface. Titanic survivor Catherine Gilnab, who was 16 when the Titanic sank, didn't realize the seriousness of the ship situation until she reached New York. She thought that disembarking in lifeboats and being picked up by another ship was all part of the journey. A Saudi Arabian prince once paid Kristen Stewart $5 lakh to sit and talk with him for 15 minutes. She donated that money to the Hurricane Sandy Relief Fund. A 17-year-old boy from Mexico City, Julio Macias, died after his girlfriend gave him a love bite. The suction resulted in a blood clot which traveled to the brain, causing a stroke. This is what's wrong with our education system. Students work 4 to 5 months and make a project file. After submission of these files, this is how these files are treated. The first model of Ducati was a 48cc motorcycle named Cucciolo on 1944. Rolls-Royce cabin is so silent that you can hear the ticking sound of the clock placed inside. Chewing gum boosts mental proficiency and is considered a better test aid than caffeine, but nobody knows why. Mr. Narendra Singh Kapani, just because of him, we are surfing high internet today. Michael Jackson had a meeting on one of the twin towers on the morning of 9/11, but he missed because he overslept. The first ever athletics gold medal in the history of the Olympics. Neeraj Chopra wins India's first gold at Tokyo Olympics and also the first ever gold medal in athletics. He made possible the dreams of 1.3 billion people. Venezuela have the cheapest petrol price in the world, rupees 2 or $0.028 per liter. This is how much food you can get for the $35 pack of cigarette in Australia. When my sister died, we cremated her favorite doll with her. and spread their ashes. This morning, when I walked past her old room, I saw the doll sitting there perfectly fine. If you like this video, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Stay foolish with me.